up, everybody? My name is Reyes The Entrepreneur. I'm right here with MPress Nation, about to drop that free 99 knowledge on the MPress. I'm gonna tell you how I was able to build a successful t-shirt business with just a MPress that I got from MPress Nation, specifically the MPress 15 by 15. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is when I first started my t-shirt business, I went the cheap route. I got a MPress from Amazon, cost about $150, and even though it was cheaper, it was not better, because even though it got the job done, the heat was really inconsistent. Also, it didn't last that long. In about 3 to 6 months, I had to buy a new one. Sure, it gets the ball rolling, but once I got the MPress 15 by 15, quality products, and the best thing, it came with a warranty, meaning anything happened to it, MPress Nation has your back. And I still have that MPress to this day, and it's been about 5 years, so you're getting quality. Now, when you get the MPress, it's really easy to use. Every material should come with instructions. For example, 310 degrees for 15 seconds, medium pressure. And if you know what you're doing, you could use it the same day. Not only is the MPress durable, it's gonna make you money with those quality prints. Because when I was using that Amazon press, sometimes the vinyl will pick up because it wasn't heated equally throughout the whole design. Now, equipment is very important, but one of my biggest tips about the t-shirt business, you need to know what niche you're gonna go after. For example, when I started, I was going after car clubs, churches, teams, sports moms, and I decided I love working with sports moms because they order low quality and they make the most profit. They're willing to pay high prices for those glitter shirts. But once you figure out your niche, then you need to figure out what methods are you gonna use to produce those quality products, whether it's vinyl cutters, screen printing, heat transfers, DTG, whatever it is, the MPress could work with all of those. I remember when I used to screen print, I would screen print and I would use a MPress to cure the shirts, just to show you how versatile the MPress is. And the final reasons why I decided to stick with the MPress is because, first of all, it's small and it's quick. It takes about 15 seconds to heat press the shirt. Doesn't get any easier and quicker than that. So if you're looking to start your t-shirt business, whether it's vinyl, screen printing, heat transfers, any other method, go with the MPress. And of course, with the peace of mind that MPress Nation has your back. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, press the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.